In JavaScript, the array join method returns a new string by combining all elements from the array. First, we'll need an array, so let r equals an array with 1, 2, and 3. Next, we'll do console.log r.join with no arguments. If we run this code, we'll see a string with every element, comma separated. If you pass nothing to join, the default separator between each element is a comma. Next, let's do a way of adding two strings in JavaScript. Let s1 equals string hello. Let s2 equals string world. s1 equals an array with s1 and s2 dot join of single space string. Console.log s1. If we run this code, you'll see we added s1 and s2 into a new string separated by a space. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.